Nigo bagikeire gekore ky'obosagani ase getaseni ky'abanyanyimbo kia Nalenya ase omonyanyimbo oyomo abwete kagotigerwa chingoma gosabete kagosiria obogima bwae nabo iga bande gotigerwa chingoma chintindi kaokwana omugavana bwe county ya Kakamega Fernandes Barasa niga aburirie obotuki gokorekana nabo igo abo babete bagoikirania gekore ekyo KOIMOKIGWA EGETAMBOKERO kerichiko.
Nataka kuomba vyombo vya usalama, you must apprehend those thugs ili wachukuliwe hatua za kisheria. We shall not rest until those thugs have been arrested. Na yule askari ambaye alijeruhiwa tunamwombea afueni kwa sababu he was in line of duty. Mimi naomba GSU wafanye kazi yao kusaka wale majambazi bila kujeuri wale ambao hawana hatia.
You attack a police station, kill a police officer, is someone's son, is someone's daughter. That has happened here in Kakamega, in Mumias West. It is very wrong. We can do politics, but let us not go to the extent of attacking institutions which should take care of us. Let's respect the law. Let's work within the law. If you know you have any differences with anyone, there is the law that should take care of you. And those ones in offices charged with the responsibility of executing law, do it fairly. Be just.